Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix access denied or verification failed in ChatGPT on iPhone. If you're trying to log in or sign up and see this message, here's how to fix it quickly and safely. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works, and rule out network blocks or weak signals. A bad connection often causes failed verification attempts. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your settings and search for Safari, and we are going to clear Safari cookies. Go ahead and scroll down and click on the clear history and data website and clear history. This removes any old login sessions or cache data that might be causing the error. Next, what you're gonna do is make sure your phone's date and time are set correctly. Go to your settings, go to general, scroll down, go to date and time, and then toggle the set automatically option on if it was not turned on. Next, what you're gonna do is try logging in using a different method. If you're using email, try signing in with your Apple ID or Google account. Sometimes one login method fails while others work. Now at last, what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone, reopen the ChatGPT app, and try logging into after these steps. Privacy tip: always log in through the official ChatGPT app or chatopenai.com in Safari, and avoid using any links or phrases outside the official domain to protect your account. Quick fix: if it's still failing, delete and reinstall the ChatGPT app and then log in again. If that does not work, open the chatopen.ai in Safari, sign in successfully, and then then return to the app. This often bypasses the error, and that's it. Subscribe for more easy and quick tech fixes.